This is a brief overview of my Science Canvas course. For students, everything will be under the modules link over to the side. My most recent module will be at the bottom. Everything that the student needs will be on the first page of the module, and all of the materials will be listed at the top. These are the worksheets the students would need, and then I have assignments that they need to submit to at the bottom. If the student clicks on the assignment, there is a detailed explanation of what I need submitted here and how I will grade the assignment. If the assignment says submit, they need to submit. If it says resubmit, that means they have already submitted the assignment. And you can also see the details and comments for the assignment down below if you scroll down below if they have submitted the assignment. Then on PowerSchool, I will log in the grades. I do take a full credit, even if something is late. I will take it for full credit all the way up to the end of the unit. And so my grades, I base them on units. So these are all chemistry, and then we switch to weather. So from the switch in the unit, I will not take any more chemistry assignments. During the chemistry unit, I will take assignments for full credit, but at the end of the unit and we take a test, I will not accept any more assignments for that unit. I will always mark missing assignments with a 0 and an orange missing indication, and the 0 and the orange missing indication will remain until the student submits the assignment. Sometimes students submit an incorrect assignment, and in that case I still mark a 0 and a missing to let them know that I do not have the correct assignment.